Financial literacy is something Filipinos are lacking. Despite the advent of technology and the internet, wherein information is easier to get, not many Filipinos are familiar with terms like stock market, investment, or bonds. This is why both the government and private institutions are pushing for financial literacy programs to educate millions of people on how to handle money wisely. In today's video, we will be showing you signs of a financially educated individual. Without further ado, let's begin. Following a budget. A budget is a foundation for your financial plan. When you make a budget, you're dictating where your money goes instead of simply spending without a plan. If you don't have a budget yet, then making one should be a top priority. There are a number of budgeting methods you can use, including cash envelope budgeting, zero-based budgeting, and the 50-30-20 rule. Experimenting with different budget systems can help you find one that works for you. Living below your means. Here's one of the secrets to how to have financial freedom. Live below your means. This simply means spending less than you earn. Making a budget is central to living below your means because, without one, you may not have a clue how much you're spending each month. Tracking expenses can be a great way to determine if you're living below your means. You can write each expense down in a notebook, use a spreadsheet, or link your bank account to a budgeting app. It's a good idea to track expenses for at least 1 month to get a realistic idea of what you spend, which can help you to better define your budget. Saving money is a consistent habit. You may have heard the expression, pay yourself first, and it's a wise move. This simply means that before you spend any money on payday, you first deposit some of your earnings into savings. Paying yourself first is a sign of financial stability, as it suggests that you have money reserved for emergencies and are also saving for longer-term financial goals. Setting up direct deposit into savings or scheduling automatic transfers from your checking account each payday are easy ways to automatic savings. When the money is directed to savings automatically, there's no opportunity for you to spend it. Paying down debt is a priority. Debt can be a roadblock to reaching your financial goals, and too much debt could make you financially unstable. Making an effort to pay down debt, or avoid it altogether, is a sign that you're committed to living within your means instead of spending money unnecessarily. If you have debt, consider the best ways to pay it off. For example, the debt snowball method involves paying off debts from the smallest balance to the highest. The debt avalanche, on the other hand, advocates paying off debts from highest APR to lowest in order to maximize interest savings. When choosing a debt repayment method, consider how much of your budget you can commit to it. If you're only able to pay the minimum to your debts, you may need to review your expenses to see where you can cut back or look into debt consolidation. Bills get paid on time. Paying bills late can trigger nasty late fees. What's more, late payments can lower your credit scores. A good credit score is a sign of financial stability because it means that you're responsible with how you use credit. On-time payments can work in your favor, while late payments can hurt your score. If you've fallen behind, getting caught up on late payments as soon as possible can help you turn things around. From there, you can commit to paying on time each month. Scheduling automatic payments or setting up payment reminders is an easy way to keep track of due dates. Financial goals are clearly defined. Setting financial goals can help you to make the most of your money. Financial goals can be short-term, like saving $10,000 for an emergency fund. Or they might be long-term, like saving $1 million for retirement. Someone who's financially stable understands the value and importance of setting goals and how to set them effectively. For example, they may follow the SMART rule for goal setting and create money goals, which means they are specific, measurable, actionable, or achievable, realistic, and time-bound. If you're not setting financial goals yet, consider what you want to do with your money or what kind of lifestyle you'd like to have. If you created a personal financial mission statement that can be a good guide to deciding what kind of goals to set. Regular investing is part of your financial routine. Investing money and saving it are two different things. When you invest money, you're putting it into the stock market. Investing can help you grow your money faster and build a higher net worth thanks to the power of compounding interest. There are different ways to invest. If you have a 401k or similar retirement plan at work, for example, you may defer 10% 15%, or more of your income into it each year. At a minimum, it's a good idea to contribute at least enough to get the full company match, which is akin to free money, if one is offered. You might also open an individual retirement account and a taxable investment account. With an IRA, you can save for retirement on a tax-advantaged basis. A taxable investment account, on the other hand, is useful for trading stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and other securities without restrictions on how much you can invest. You have the right insurance. Insurance is designed to protect you financially. There are different types of insurance a financially stable person might have, including homeowners or renters insurance, car insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, and life insurance. Having the right coverage in place can help to minimize financial losses in a worst-case scenario. If your home or apartment is damaged because of a fire, for instance, then your insurance policy could help you to rebuild or replace your belongings. Life insurance is also important to have, especially if you have a family. Life insurance can pay out a death benefit to your loved ones if something should happen to you. That means they're not in danger of becoming financially unstable after you're gone. FOMO doesn't drive decision-making. FOMO, or fear of missing out, can be a threat to financial stability. It's the modern-day equivalent of keeping up with the Joneses. What it means is that you make financial decisions out of peer pressure or societal pressure. Trying to mimic the lifestyle of social media influencers, for example, can wreck your finances if you're going into debt buying things that you can't afford. Someone who's financially stable, on the other hand, is immune to FOMO. They don't buy things on impulse, or at least not often. And they don't make financial decisions without considering the short and long-term impacts. There's no worrying about money. Worries about money can keep you up at night if you're fretting over the bills or debt. Financially stable people don't have stress over money because they know that they're in control of their situation. They approach money with a calm, confident attitude. So how do you reach that Zen state with your finances? Again, it all comes down to making smart money decisions like sticking to a budget, saving, and avoiding debt. The more proactive you are about making your money work for you, the faster money worries may fade away. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.